Hey folks, welcome back to West Virginia Cryptids and Strange Encounters. It's a snowy Sunday here in Marion County, and we just want to get out and do some hiking. So today, we're going to hike up one of these hills right here. Supposedly there's an old graveyard, so we're going to get out and explore and try to find a graveyard. And for those of you who don't know, this is my son Mason all bundled up in there. And we're just getting out and have a little father and son time and see what we can find. Where are you going? You going to walk up this side or crossing the road? What do you think, Mason? Do you think we'll find it? Yeah? I remember seeing this graveyard up here probably, oh goodness.
Dad, look how deep the snow is right here.
Yeah. Yep. About 30 years ago, I seen this old graveyard. And I don't exactly remember where it's at, but I do remember it's on this hill. So we're gonna go try to find it. So we're at the road that goes up the hill.
You have to make it all the way to the top.
Now, I don't remember it being at the top. I remember it being, oh, yeah, it's been a while. It's before the top, I do know that. But it's up, somewhere up on that hill. And I believe, if I remember right, unless the roads have changed, it's on the right-hand side. I don't remember, I honestly don't remember these power poles and stuff being here 30 years ago. But yeah, we're gonna try to find it. And along the way, we'll just see if we can find any kind of animal prints of any sort and check those out too. We got a nice snow here this past weekend. We got about, 6 inches or so. What are you being quiet for? Huh? Yeah, that buzzes. That's a lot of electricity right there, Mason. There's 25,000 volts going through there. It even says it right there on the tag. You can see it. So that amount of power buzzes.
Dad, can I tell them about something?
For those of you wondering, no, we're not on private property or anything like that or trespassing. This is part of a wildlife management area here in outside of Mannington. I forget how many acres it is. I did a video earlier this year, I believe it was, where we went looking for tracks over at the lake. There's a pretty good sized lake just over this hill. What are you doing? Hey Mason, do you see this right here?
What?
You see those?
Yeah, there's some down there, but
What do you think those are caused from? Don't sit down in it.
Deer?
No.
Moose?
Look above you. Look above you. What do you see?
Pots.
Power wires?
Power wires.
Most likely that's just where snow would build up on the wires and it fell off and hit the ground.
Dad, there's some snow on my glove.
Huh?
There's some snow on my glove.
That's why I said don't get down on the ground. All right, folks, we're going to start up the hill here. I'll be back. Ready? Well, we've been finding little animal tracks. Looks like little birds have been hopping through here. I mean, you can't tell what these are for sure. I'd say probably most likely deer, but I don't know. It's hard to tell now that they're half filled in. But we're starting up the steep part now. There's one level spot right here. Get up and check it out. Or get up here and just take a small break here. Have a look around. Yes, Mason. Find deer prints?
Right there. Just one.
Okay. You coming? It's a nice day after the winter storm that comes through. It's actually half decently, not warm, but it's not bitter cold. It's like 20, 25. But it's supposed to get cold again tonight. And then tomorrow and the next day get pretty warm, actually. Like in the 40s, almost 50. And then we're supposed to get a buttload of rain, I guess, for 3 days. So I wanted to get out here while stuff's a little frozen still and check some things out. Get into the father-son hike. Ain't that, Mason?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
I thought the snow was deep right here.
Yeah, you feel that the snow's starting to melt a little bit today because it's packed in and packing in.
They have a frozen leaf.
Huh?
Oh, it's just a rock. I thought it was a frozen leaf.
Oh, okay. So, yeah, we're just out. Gonna try to find this graveyard. Like I said, it's been 30 years.
There you go.
Been 30 years since I've been up here. That's back when I was a young feller and was actually trimming these power lines back when I was about 19 years old. A little over 30 years. And I found this graveyard when I was up here walking the power line right a ways. I wonder what this one is, Mason.
What?
I said I wonder what these tracks are. That's a deer. I can see the toes, or that one's got a print, pretty good print in it. I can see. And that one, that's a deer, Mason. This one up here is bigger. Let's go check him out.
What?
Let's go up here and check these tracks out. See, you're doing all right on the hill, aren't you? Huh?
Once we get up there, we're just wiping off the log and sitting on it.
You'll wipe off the log and sit on it.
Yeah.
But we need to keep looking off to the right because that's where the stones are at, and they weren't very big stones. Are you falling down again? Here's some more tracks, maybe. Is it a deer again? Looks like it.
Yeah, they're deer. Oh, God.
Well, we're getting close.
Wood.
Huh? It's a piece of wood?
Yeah.
Oh. We're getting close to the top, almost to the top here. So somewhere along here, this cemetery has to be. I don't know. Hopefully, it's not all gone now. It was an old one, well grown over, and it's kind of why I wanted to come up in the wintertime, because the undergrowth would be too high in the summertime. And for some reason, oh, here it is. Hey, I found it. Here's the cemetery. All right, folks, we found it. Right here. Actually, it looks like it's been used recently. There's a couple newer stones in there. Come on, Mason. Yeah, a couple newer stones. That makes me kind of happy. I always thought it was just long gone forgotten.
I need a break.
Well, we're here, bub. You'll be all right. Come on.
It would be easier if we had sleds.
You gonna drag a sled up the hill?
I would.
You drag a sled up the hill?
Yeah.
Why?
To get down faster.
Yeah, that's a long way down. That's a heck of a ride for a little guy.
Yeah, but I would have one of these in here. I could just do that.
Oh yeah? Is that going to be your break?
And you would have the other one and you had a sled.
Hey, here's the old cemetery. All right, folks, I'm gonna turn you around and I'll let you get a look at it. All right, here it is. Part of the old fence. The old wire fence. It's not really any wrought iron. Mason, be careful. You see that barbed wire, buddy? You'll get your legs tangled up in it. As you can see, it's pretty. In the summertime, it's pretty grown over. A lot of greenbrier. But right there's the fence running that way. I don't know how well you can see it. This is a newer stone. I guess that's just maybe that's why I'm saying newer, because that looks like it's just a family marker stone. This may be what they call the Roberts Cemetery. Let's see what kind of stones and how old we can find. Oh yeah. Do you see the date on that one, Mason? Can you go? Hey, can you go and read the date on that one for me? I think it says.
December.
Hey, watch out! Scoot over. Let me see. I can zoom in on it.
December 24th, 1850.
What's the name on it?
Olivernay.
Oliver Ney or Oliver May?
Oliver Ney.
Died December 24th, 1850, age of 48. Is it 48 or 46?
46.
46? Maybe you should have brought your glasses, huh?
Mm-hmm.
He didn't wear his glasses, folks, because he wanted to wear sunglasses.
I did not. You made me.
I know. I made you. Yeah, because here's a Roberts. Richard Roberts. Out there's a little 8 up. Can't tell what that one is. What's this one say? Catherine Roberts? Yep. That one's a little 8 up as well. Or deteriorated, I don't want to say 8 up. But it says Nancy R. Roberts. And this is the footstones here. These.
Yeah.
Are you down on the ground again?
I fell. I'm good.
This is it's a little bigger than I remember. There's the fence there. Runs all the way out through there. And looks like it goes up through there. I really wish when
Let's see who this belongs to.
I really wish when Consol come in here and had this property, Consol Mines, that they would have done like they did a few other cemeteries and made sure it was cleaned up and they put new fences around them. But they didn't do this one. Yeah, folks, there we go. The old Roberts Cemetery. Like I said, the fence looks like it runs right here. So it's probably every bit, I say, 100 foot probably up through there, close to it. And
Here's one.
maybe 200 feet, somewhere in that neighborhood.
This one has a name on it.
That's probably the footstone moose. That's for the, see right here, look here. Yeah, see our mother. These are the headstones up here. And that's the footstones for each grave. They did that in the older days. Like this one here, there'd be a little footstone here. There's another stone right there. Can you scrape that one off? Don't be disrespectful though, please. What's the name on that one? Oh, I like that. That's pretty cool. Nicholas Shop. Can you rub the name off on a little bit more? Shoot, it's Nicholas Shoup. Died 1881.
Something 1881.
Yep. It's got some pretty cool hands on that one, man.
1881.
That's pretty cool. Yeah.
What's that?
April. Read. Can you? It's April something. Can you rub the middle at April 20, 1881? Yeah, April 20. 1881. Let's see what this one is. Another Shoup. N&J Shoup. Died July 27th, 1881.
They were twins.
And it's chilly out here. All right, now there's some more up there. And let's get up and look at those, Mason. I'll be right back, folks. Take a look, see what's on these ones. Huh? I'm waiting on you. All right. Oh, Atha. I know some Athas. That's a pretty prominent name around the Harrison County area. Catherine, wife of Thomas L. Boggs.
November 20, 1895.
1840 to May 28, 1900. So 60 years. That's a long time back then. What do you think? Huh?
Wait, does that one say A-T-H-A?
Says Atha also. That's a last name, Mason.
Yeah, but if
Yeah, they're both Atha.
so,
They're just family stones. If you look down, here's the footstones. Right there. An old stone right here.
that one says something.
Yeah, it just says the initials for that. Martha and William. Or is that what maybe? Mary. William and Mary. All right. All right, folks. Well, we found it. I didn't figure it was going to be that hard to find. But for some reason, I don't remember the stones being as big. I remember smaller ones, but I don't remember the big ones. I know these big ones, that one like down there at Roberts. And these here, or those two at least, are newer. Whether they're newer than 30 years, I'm going to say that one probably is. Those two, I'm not sure. Because I definitely do not remember the big stones. I do remember the small ones. Well, that's just a short little video for this Sunday. I hope you all enjoyed it. And me and Mason's going to probably look around a little bit more up up the road. And we want to thank you for coming. What do you say, Mason?
Thanks.
Say thank you.
Thanks for coming.
And we'll see you on the next one, folks. Bye.